Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel. So guys, today I have an exciting strategy to discuss with you. Guys, today I will teach you the parabolic trading strategy with the combination of MACD trading strategy guys. And trust me guys, when I am using this trading strategy, I am getting some good results. Even guys, if you will use this trading concept in Quotex platform, you can also get some good results guys. Alright, so in this video guys, I'll teach you step by step and I will show you how you can implement this trading strategy effectively and where you can trade guys, what all the confirmations you need before placing your trade in up direction or in down direction. Alright. And guys, of course, in the last of this video, I'll also share some of the secrets of this Quotex trading strategy. Okay. So watch this video till the end and make sure you like this video and subscribe Quotex Trading YouTube channel. And guys, keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos. Alright. So guys, if you don't have your Quotex trading account, then create your account using my link given in the description below of this video. And guess what? You will get $10,000 of demo balance. And of course guys, you can also join my Telegram channel and you can find my Telegram channel link in the description of this video, where I provide high quality trading signals and that is totally free of cost for you guys. Alright. So guys, let's quickly understand what is the parabolic and MACD indicators. Okay. So I'm clicking on this indicator section and easily you can see this is your parabolic. You just need to click on this. Okay. And you can see now parabolic has been applied on your trading chart. Alright. And guys, let me close it first. Okay. So the parabolic SAR is what guys? You can see when I applied the parabolic SAR, I can clearly see it's helping me to understand the market trend guys. Alright. When these dots are below the price, that means the price overall is going in up direction and we can try to place our trades in up direction. Alright. And parabolic is also helping us to understand where the market can get reverse. Okay. This trend is in down direction and with the help of parabolic, we can easily identify that from here, because parabolic is indicating us the market can get reversal and market is getting alright and market is going reverse from this point. So parabolic can help you in very good way. Okay. And let me remove my pen first. And when I'm again going this section and in oscillators, you can see guys, there is a MACD oscillator. Okay. And now guys, you can see MACD indicator also applied on our trading chart. This is basically moving average convergence divergence. It's an oscillator. All right. And with this oscillator guys, we can get the trend direction as well as we can also get the momentum of the price. Okay. So this is the price, and from this indicator we can also get the momentum of the price. So we are going to use this combination of MACD with the parabolic. Okay. So now we understood guys what is the basic of these indicators, and now we are combining both of them together. So what will be our first step? Okay. So if we want to place our trade from here in the upward direction, so we need a confirmation for up direction. And how we can get the confirmation? Guys, first we have to see the position of these dots. Alright. So now I can see if I am zooming the chart, let me zoom it first for you guys. Alright. Let's wait and make sure guys you watch this video till the end. Okay. So guys, to place your trade in up direction, you need first confirmation from the parabolic. Now you can see the dots, the position of these dots. If below the price, that means it's indicating us that market will go in up direction and market is going guys. Market means the green candles are going in upward direction. Okay. So parabolic is confirming us. Okay. Now to place our trade in up direction, another confirmation we need from the MACD. So this is our MACD. These are the bars. These are the histograms. In my last video guys, I taught you the MACD indicator in the detail. If you haven't watched yet, then you can watch guys. Okay. I'll attach the link in the description of the last video guys. Alright. So we need a crossover. This is your crossover. Okay. And signal line. This is your signal line. If I'm talking about signal line, that means your red line, and green line is your MACD line. Both line you need like this. This is your crossover. Okay. And after crossover, both line are coming in upward direction and crossing the zero level. This is your zero value, guys. So this is your zero level. And with this concept, guys, we also need histograms bars. Okay, this is your histogram bars, and the position of the bars you can see in upward direction. So we are getting totally 1, 2 and 3 confirmations, guys. All right, so after getting 3 confirmations, guys, I will try to place my trade in upward direction. And guys, after few seconds, guys, all right, after maybe 9 or 8 seconds, I'll try to place my trades in upward direction. Okay, and you will see the result. What will be the result of our trades, guys? Let's wait and watch the result of our trade. I invested $300 in upward direction. You can clearly see. And what is the reason, guys? You can clearly see what I am explaining you. I am also using it. All right. So these are the position of dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So many dots, guys. So these are the dots. These are the parabolic stars. All right. And the position of parabolic star is below the price. That means it's indicating us that market can go in upward direction. And MACD is also confirming us that market is in upward direction. Momentum is shifting. All right. So why using this concept, guys? I took a investment of $300 in upward direction. Let's wait and watch, because at the same point where we took our entry, you can see, guys, market is trying to stuck. And what is the reason? I'll explain later on this video, guys. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and you can see, guys, I booked a good profit of $187, guys. All right. So you can use this concept and you can try to make profit. Okay. So now, guys, you know how you took a trade in upward direction and how you used and how you made the profit. All right. So for downward direction trade, okay, if you want to place a down direction trade, what all confirmations you need? Let me tell you, guys. First, you have to see where is the market trend, and you can clearly see market trend is in down direction because the position of these dots are above the price, guys. All right. And in my last video about the parabolic, guys, I also told you everything about the parabolic. I hope you watched, and if not, then you can watch again. All right. So parabolic is confirming us that market trend is in down direction because the position of these dots are above the price. All right. And what the confirmation we need from MACD? We need a confirmation from the MACD. This is your line, zero line, and there are 2 lines, green and red. Both line crossover should be above the zero level, and if both lines after crossover are coming below the zero level, zero line, that means we are getting a solid confirmation for the down trade, guys. All right. And if you are not understanding, guys, let me find some asset. I will show you, and I will try to place my trades in down direction. Here, guys, you can see I took a trade of $200 in downward direction. Now, what is the reason why I took a trade in down direction? Now, first confirmation, we can see this is your market. All right. This market trend is in down direction. Why this market trend is in down direction? Because you can see the position of these dots are above the price. All right. And when the position of these dots are above the price, that means market trend is in down direction. All right. So first confirmation we are getting from the parabolic. All right. And second confirmation we are getting from the MACD. What is the confirmation? Here you can see both lines crossed each other. All right. And after crossover, both lines are coming below the zero level, guys. This is your zero level. All right. Both lines are coming below the zero level, and at the same time, you can see, guys, this is your histogram and bars are below the histogram as per the MACD trading strategy. So we are getting 3 confirmations, guys. All right. And after getting 3 confirmations, I took a trade of $200 in downward direction, and result is in front of you, guys. In 2-3 seconds, we are going to make profit again, and we did it. All right. So this is the basic concept what I used and what I make the profit by using this concept. Now, guys, let me teach you something advanced level concept, guys. All right. So now you know how you can trade in up direction and how you can trade in down direction, and how you can get the confirmation from MACD and parabolic. Alright, so because many people, many traders teach you that where you can trade. Now I am going to teach you where you don't need to trade, guys, where you can avoid your trading. Alright, so first thing, if market trend is in down direction, parabolic is supporting. That means parabolic is confirming you that market will go down. Okay, you are getting confirmation. Alright, MACD and histogram also confirming you that market will go down. Okay, alright. But when you want to place your trade in downward direction, you have to see where is your support level. Alright, if any support level is existing there like this is your support. Alright, market came, market took support, went in upward direction, market coming again, and at the same level market is taking support. Alright, so no matter parabolic is supporting, trend is in down direction, MACD is supporting, getting confirmations, no worries, guys. Alright, you will not trade because you are getting a support until you know details or you know the strategy of breakout. Till then you will not trade, guys. Alright, if you know the breakout strategy, you know how you can trade effectively by using breakout levels, then you can trade, otherwise you have to stop, guys. Alright, so I am also teaching you how you have to use this trading strategy and where you no need to use this trading concept, even no trading concept, guys. Alright, okay, at the same time, if MACD indicating for up signal, parabolic is indicating for up signal, both combination, alright, of parabolic and MACD is indicating for a upward signal. Alright, but while placing a trade in up direction, alright, you need to see, you need to watch on your chart if any resistance level is there. If any resistance level is existing, then guys you should avoid your up trade, guys. Alright, so now this is your resistance first, this is your second resistance. So what I am going to teach you guys now, here you can see market is going up as per the MACD, and on the chart market is going up. Alright, because parabolic is also supporting. And when next time market is going, what we are getting a confirmation from MACD. Alright, market can go in up, histogram is also above the zero level, parabolic is below the price. But guys, here I cannot trade in up direction because I can see there is a level of resistance. Alright, so I will not trade. Okay, so these are the basic concepts or advanced concepts as well you have to use. You have to be very careful, guys. Alright, few more things, guys, you have to be very careful. If you are trading in up direction or in down direction, do not trade beyond your risk management, guys. Alright, and always use some other indicators if you can. Alright, so I think I explained well, and I also took few trades in down direction by using this trading concept, and you saw we made a good profit, guys, in this session. Alright, so if you want to join my Telegram channel where I provide high quality trading signals, you can copy them, you can make profit by using them, then you can surely join. And you can find my Telegram channel link in the description of this video, guys, and this is totally free of cost. Alright, and if you learned something, if you enjoyed the video, if you are getting the concept, guys, then make sure you like this video. And if you are visiting for the first time, then make sure you subscribe as well. Alright, and keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos, so that you never miss any update, any trading videos, strategies, trading concept, analysis, fundamental analysis, so much things. Alright, and so much content I am going to post in few days, in upcoming days, hopefully. Alright, and let's close this video in few seconds, because you can see 1 2 3 4 trades are going on in the down direction. And what is the reason? Market trend is in down direction. Clearly you can see parabolic is also above the price. Alright, so we are getting two confirmations from the price and parabolic. MACD crossover the signal line above the price, and both lines are coming here. You can see this is the zero level, below the zero level of the MACD, all right, and histogram as well below the zero price, guys, all right, zero level, not price, all right, and we won the trade, guys. And you can see the result by using this trading concept. You can definitely get some good results.